Hi, my name is Yanis from Clickful. We created a one-stop solution for managing government-supported standstill salary payments. Latvian government has made a brave promise to pay 75% of the salaries for the affected employers to avoid standstill. And the complexity is how to process it, as employers have to apply for the financial aid, and the government has to approve it and make the payments for thousands of employees, and that's resource intense. Therefore, for the hackathon, we created a solution to ease the administrative burden by enabling company to fill in the details, applying for the service, and getting their approved within one day. We automatically will add all the employees with their approved salaries and process all the payments for the government. In addition, if the employer will want it, we can ensure in the long-term financial education for the people to stay healthy during these times. During the hackathon, we created MVP based on feedback we received from government, accountants, and companies, and as a next step, we will propose the solution for the government decision makers in order to take it further. So to conclude, our solution speeds up the process for companies to apply for the support, employees to get paid in time, and government gets an easy way to administrate it. I'm Yanis from Clickful. Thank you very much.